Okay, so our last performer for today is going to be Rish, who is going to announce his piece and all that. Go ahead.
Okay, hi, I'm Rish Committee and I'm playing Minuet in D by Bach. And there's gonna be a little bit of background noise. I apologize for that. Thank you.
All right, awesome. So that was Rish performing Bach's Musette in D. So I am going to once again start the poll again, and then you guys can make sure to fill that out. Relaunch the poll. Okay. And then I'll give you guys a chance to fill that out. And if you have any verbal feedback, you can make sure to raise your hand. And then Elena, if you want to go ahead.
Oh, and so for me, I think that it was like, it's like 99%. I mean, it's so well played. I like that little, like that dancing beat. That's what I used to do when I played this piece. Yeah, I played it too. I'm not sure if you memorized it or not.
That was memorized, right?
Yeah, it was memorized, except just my dog went in front and like put her face on the piano, so I couldn't do some parts.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So that's fine. Well, I didn't actually notice that, but um, uh, I think you need a little more movement or something. Next time, can you move your camera to your hands, since we only can see your body but not your hands? Yeah, and it was awesome.
Right. Yeah, thank you for that feedback as well. That was really good. All right, so we have one of three poll response, so I think Elena has it filled out. So just we'll give you a chance to do that. Yeah, definitely agree with the camera positioning since that's not mentioned in the poll. But yeah, just make sure, because this is your second performance seminar, just make sure that your camera is positioned kind of so from an audience perspective so we can kind of see. And also we'd also be able to see if what happened with your dog as well. So then we kind of understand what's going on. But yeah, so overall, okay, cool. We have the poll now, so I can go over that. So I'll show the results. So yeah, in terms of the first part, the rhythm was pretty good. Yeah, you had the alignment, the sense of pulse was really good. There's that little, I guess, memory lapse or thing that happens. So, but beyond that, you came out of it really well, and yeah, it was good. So you got a 4 on that, or you got a 4, 1 vote for 4 and 1 vote for 5. Okay. And then for notes, you got 1 vote for 3, 1 vote for 4. Overall, your notes were pretty good. There was just that little section that happened, but everything else was correct, and I think that was good. Pulse, you got between a 4, you got 1 vote for 4, 1 vote for 5, so like a 4.5. And yeah, the pulse was pretty good overall. It was a little bit fast. There was a little bit of rushing, and this is just me being very picky. But beyond that, yeah, the pulse was pretty consistent overall. Dynamics, you got 2 votes for 4, and that's probably right on point. The dynamics is forte throughout, and you kind of, and I think you included in like the, to make sure to include the small crescendos and decrescendos in there. And it was nice how you phrased it so then when you restarted a section, it came out very strong and then kind of built through. Articulation, you got the same thing. You got a 4, 2 votes for 4. So that was really, really good. Yeah, there's lots of, especially in this piece, is very strong staccatos. So you made sure to articulate those really, really well. So I think that was pretty accurate as well. All right.